we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet, feelings grow. Echoes of a dream so bright, silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage, a shadows dance. In this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air. Silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. Don't need a word to say. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Linda, artist Enterman, what do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet, feelings grow. Echoes of a dream so bright, silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage, a shadows dance. In this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air. Silent love beyond compare. to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. We'll rise. We'll rise. We don't need a word to sing. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Linda, Testament. What do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air. Silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet feelings grow. Echoes of a dream so bright. Silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage, a shadows dance. In this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air. Silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. We'll rise. We'll rise. We don't need a word to sing. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Inda, ontechfix. What do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet feelings grow, echoes of a dream so bright, silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes, in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night, in our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage, a shadows dance, in this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air, silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. We'll rise, we'll rise. We don't need a word to say. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes, in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night, in our hearts a song takes flight. Inda, ontechfix. What do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet feelings grow, echoes of a dream so bright, silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night, in our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage as shadows dance, in this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air, silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. We'll rise, we'll rise. We don't need a word to say. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night, in our hearts a song takes flight. Linda, artist Enterman. What do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow, in the quiet feelings grow. Echoes of a dream so bright, silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes, in this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand. Every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night, in our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage as shadows dance, in this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air, silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing, in the hush our spirits cling. Silent Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Linda, artist Enterman. What do we think better now? In the still of night we find voices whisper, hearts aligned. No sound breaking through the air, silent music everywhere. Stars above, they softly glow. In the quiet feelings grow, echoes of a dream so bright. Silent melodies ignite. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise. Footsteps in the moonlit sand, holding close you understand every beat of silent tunes in the dance of quiet rooms. No instruments, no loud refrain, just the touch that breaks the chain. Silent music pure as night. In our hearts a song takes flight. Empty stage, as shadows dance. In this space we find romance. Soundless whispers fill the air. Silent love beyond compare. We don't need a word to sing. In the hush our spirits cling. Silent music in our eyes. In this calm our love will rise.